definition of getting it done. And I still got another workout to do. Knackered. What am I doing here? What am I doing? But you know what? When you don't want to do it, that's when you get it done. This is probably going to be harder than yesterday. I'm not even joking. Because it is 5 o'clock. Hiked yesterday, absolutely knackered. And I got 2 workouts to box off. And I couldn't think of anything worse than after a 5-hour drive doing 2 workouts. But we're getting them done. We're getting them done. And that is consistency. When you've got to do things in your plan, you've got to just do them and get them done. Even if you don't want to. Remember that. So long. And then followed by some proper grub to refuel and get ready for a big push on training this week. So to sum up, another successful week on a 75 hard, climbed a mountain, scored 2 on bank holiday Monday, boxed off the gym sessions, long runs done. Yeah, pretty successful week on 75 hard, if I do say so myself. And the refuel, I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat. This is the first proper meal that I've had in a couple of days. Because when you're hiking a mountain, all you're yamming on is fruit and just like sugary carb stuff to get your energy up. Don't get me wrong, it's all natural sugars, but it's still not proper meals like that. So without further ado, I'm going to leave the vlog there. It's been a long weekend, but we're still on track. Catch you tomorrow.